Good morning. Okay, today we'll discuss another two lesson. The use of artificial satellite and mission Mars. Uses of artificial satellites. Okay, how do we know about the weather in advance? The weather department forecasts the weather by observing pictures and changes in the atmosphere. The data is collected using various devices such as weather balloon, weather map, and so on and so forth. Okay, telephone calls, live broadcasts, weather forecasting, information about other planets. Okay, how are these things useful to us? Okay, we can connect with other people from anywhere in the world through calls. How about the live broadcast? For example, you're watching a football matches from anywhere in the world. Through the live broadcast, you can watch it or you can watch them without going to the stadium. Weather forecasting help us to plan our various vacations, outing, according to the weather. The information about other planets help scientists in space research. Okay, these activities of which device make this possible? The different activities that I have mentioned a while ago. Okay, did you still remember the different devices used for space research? Okay, let us have a short review. Okay, devices used for space research: telescope, spacecraft, rocket, and space satellite. And one of them is artificial satellite. The artificial satellites made these services possible. What are the other uses of artificial satellites? Okay, the weather department uses information about air, air temperature, air pressure, and humidity. When we say humidity, the amount of water vapor present in the air. It was recorded by artificial satellites. This artificial satellite helps to predict weather and natural disasters. Today, we use maps that direct us toward our destinations based on our location as sensed by artificial satellites. Okay, by looking on your phone, you have a Google Maps. Google Maps use artificial satellites so that you can easily locate where will you go. Artificial satellite also provides scientists photographs and useful information about heavenly bodies. Okay, again, what are the other uses of artificial satellites? For predicting cyclones, for communications, weather forecasting, getting directions, getting information about other planets or about heavenly bodies. How are artificial satellites useful for our safety? Artificial satellites help to gather information about any new phenomenon of space which may harmful for Earth. We can use this information to safeguard ourselves and the Earth in advance. Okay, our next lesson is all about Mission Mars. What are the conditions necessary to live on a planet? And then why? Okay, on our Earth, These are the reason why Earth supports, what are the factors that supports life on Earth. Okay, the first one is the suitable temperature, presence of air and oxygen, water, soil are necessary for life. They are important as living organisms cannot survive without all of these conditions. Okay, how can we find if a similar condition are present on other planets? Why is a lot of space research being done on the planet Mars? Why and how it is important? Okay, scientists carry out space research to find out favorable conditions on other planets. One such research is the mission Mars. A lot of space research is being done on Mars due to its some favorable conditions for life that are similar to those on Earth. For example, it has an atmosphere that can protect living things from the sun rays, moderate temperature, soil that contains water. The length of day on Mars is close to that day on Earth. The mission This mission or the mission Mars is important as the research work will tell us if Mars has all the necessary conditions for living on it. Okay, what precaution of special things should be taken before settling or going to Mars? Okay, some safety precaution: carrying oxygen cylinders, stored water, packed foods, and medicines are important. Without these things, we cannot survive there. Simply because these are our basic needs. Scientists, before they go to Mars, they should bring these things.